Ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Mark your attendance in the chat box and do not unmute yourself now.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. हम participant हैं रोहन वर्मा, रोहित
Rohan,
वर्मा.
keep yourself muted now.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Yash. I'm good, Ruchika. Thank you. We'll wait for another 2-3 minutes and then we'll start with the class. Yes, Ananya. Yes, Ananya. We did that. Yes, Vitan. Okay. Yes, Janvi. Okay, Janvi. Fine. We'll wait for another minute. People are still joining. Do not unmute yourself, please. Okay, I guess those who have to join have joined. Just a minute. Keep yourself muted, please, Rohan. All right. We have to. Okay, can anyone tell me what do you understand by the term story writing? If I say story writing, what do you understand? What is story writing? Please follow the rules of English. Do not unmute yourself until I take your name. Yes, Pratham.
And story writing means when you write a story.
Very good, Pratham. Story writing is when we write a story.
In
Pratham?
lines, we make many paragraphs.
Yes, when okay, when we are giving when we have some hints and we have to develop a story, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, anyone else? Ashara Rise, where you can write imaginary story. Okay. Yes, Ananya.
And in storytelling, we have some scenes and we have to create a story.
We have some scenes and we create a story. Okay. See, which is storytelling. Okay. Can anyone tell me the difference between storytelling and story writing? What is the difference between story writing and storytelling? Yes, Ruchika.
Ma'am, in story writing, we write a story, and storytelling, we tell the story.
Yes. We speak the story, we narrate the story in story writing, whereas in storytelling, and whereas in story writing, we write it our thoughts on a paper. Any doubt till here? No doubts. Yes, Vitam, I asked you earlier in the starting also if anyone has to share, or I have skipped. Okay, I have given some work on Saturday. If any one of you want to share that work, please write your name. If you want to share your work that is given to you. Anyone wants to share? Vitan, do you want to share your work? The activity is based on nature's talk. Vitan, yes, Vitan.
Ravi ne
Vitan, you can speak if you want. Okay, no. Now I remember, ma'am. Can I speak? Yes, Nidhi.
Ma'am, I want to tell on ma'am what ma'am that if we do this carpooling, so the air was not polluted. In carpool, we can if the two persons are going same place, so uh, we can take the one person to in our car, so that is called carpooling.
That's correct. If we carpool, that is when we share the car for going for in the same direction, then it will stop or it will create less air pollution. Yes, Uchika.
Ma'am, I have write a story.
Okay, share
I mean
first. Share
poem.
with me.
I have
Share,
write a
share,
poem.
share.
Earth is a special. There is a just one. It gave us water, soil, and sun. People and animals share the land. Let us lend a helping hand. You can save water and plants. A tree makes a better home for you and me. Recycle things. Do not throw everywhere. Make every day like a Earth Day. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you have muted yourself.
Yes, I have just seen. Sorry. Very good, Ruchika. Excellent poem. All right, let's get back to our story writing. All right. Yes, we were discussing story writing means creating or developing our own story using the given hints or some pictures. We have to use our imagination. Now, why? What is a good story? How to write a good story? Let's discuss the points of writing a good story. Give me a minute, I'll share you the screen. Hmm. All right. If you can see, I'm giving you it's 10:45 till 10:50. You have 5 minutes. Go through these points and then I'll take your name and you have to explain me. Instead of I explaining you, you have to explain me the point, what is written here. Hmm. These are the basic points that we already know. So that's why fifth B is going to explain.
Ma'am, we will do this work in grammar portion.
Yes. And you're not allowed to speak in between, Anshika. How many times do we have to tell you? Which I'll take your doubts once we'll start speaking. Please do not speak and break the concentration of others. Write it in the chat box, whatever. No, you do not have to write it. No, Ananya, you do not have to write anything right now. I'll tell you. Wait.
Ma'am, you mute yourself.
Ma'am, your microphone is muted.
And Vanch, I know very well. I'm telling you, Fibbi, I'll remove you once if you're speaking in between. Time over. Arkan, tell me what you have understood.
Ma'am, about air.
No, bache, about the story writing. The page that I'm showing you. The page you were reading.
मैम मुझे लगा मैम इसे नोटबुक में राइट करना है.
Did I say so? No, you do not have to write anything. Another 2 minutes. Please read it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Vanch, what you have understood? Diksha, I will tell. Wait. Wait, Ananya. Yes, Vanch. Now speak what you have understood. What is the meaning of conflict, Vanch?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the meaning of conflict?
Ma'am, complex.
And is it your English class or sleeping time?
Ma'am, complex.
Conflict. All right, class. If you have any doubt now, please write your name in the chat box. I'm muting you all so that you do not disturb in between. Let's see story. See story, first we'll go for structure. What does the structure mean? That how the story should look like? For example, not for example, for just say this opening. The story must have a good opening. Like if we go in fairy tales, every story starts with once upon a time and you introduce your characters. Fine, the opening of the story should be interesting so that people start reading your story. Then it comes cooperation and conflict between characters. Cooperation means when we are agreeing to something. Like we all agree to start the class at 10:30. Conflict is like when I am speaking and somebody else speak in between. Ma'am, this is not right. Or if I have muted myself, I know I have muted myself so that there is no disturbance in the class. And whereas people started saying in between. What is the need? This is a conflict when we are not agreeing on the same point. Conflict means when we have different point of view. When we have different point of view, let's say, let's take an example. Let's say the opening of the school. The students want the school to open from August 1, but the government says it is not safe. So we do not. We have two different point of views for opening the school. That is a conflict when we are not agreeing on the same point. When we give arguments. That Bunch does beautifully every time he has a conflict. Then development of events. It should be not like that we are going in one direction in the story and suddenly something else happens. For example, if you are narrating the story in the daytime and in the next line you said that the other people were sleeping and it was very late. So it does not make a sense. You have to develop the events in a sequence. Then next is very important, climax or high point of the story. Climax like in the action movies. You must have seen an action movie of Akshay Kumar, let's say, or you must have seen Salman Khan's movie. In that, sometimes the villain captures the hero, and you just have to find out in the next part that what happens to the hero. So this is a climax that what will happen next. That whether they will fight, how will he escape, how will he save his heroine. These all are the climax. These all are the high points of the story. Now something interesting will happen. And then the ending. There should be a ending. There should be a proper ending. Kanji, we are discussing the points for writing a story. Any doubt in the structure of a story now? Yes, Nidhi.
Ma'am, ma'am, I have a doubt in that when in PT1, chapter 1 and 3, the
Nidhi,
word
what are
means,
we doing right now?
ma'am, story writing.
So is this the correct time to ask this question?
No, ma'am.
Then please concentrate on what we are doing right now. See, the structure means the story must have an opening. It must have some characters. The characters can have the same point of view, or they can be arguing, they can be fighting among themselves. Then there should be the events taking place one after another, and then the ending of the story. It's a request from everyone. Please, when we are discussing something, stick to that. If you have another doubt, you can WhatsApp me your doubt. But whatever we are doing in class, let's stick to that first. Janvi, I'll give the question for practicing. This page you do not have to write. Let's see. Stories generally have conflicts too. A conflict is a difference in opinion or point of view. It means that everyone does not understand an event in the same way. All of us have different point of view. For example, on a moonlight, we say what a lovely moon when there is a lot of light coming from the moon. But a thief would say, I hate the moon because he is not getting the darkness. These are the two points of views about the same thing. The events in the story develop due to such different points of view. Now, when the points of views are different, then only the story proceeds further. Good stories also have thrill and suspense. Suspense means what will happen next. Like starting of the English class, you start asking, "Ma'am, what will we do today? How will we do this?" So this is a suspense of how we are going to and what we are going to do next. As we read such a story, we keep wondering, what's going to happen next? The thrill or suspense leads to a climax. The climax is a high point in the action of a story. That what will happen next. This is the audience is watching the story very carefully. Finally, a good story has an ending that we remember. We all remember happy endings. That the hero and heroine meet, the villain is defeated, they are all living happily. Right? So this is the point that we have discussed. That the title of the story should be interesting, characters, then how the action in the story begins. Is there any action? Is there happening something fighting? Climax. Then how the climax is rising and how the story is ending. Any doubt in this? Anyone? Yes, Ananya. Ask.
Ma'am, what is conflict?
Which a conflict means when our point of view is not matching. Fine. If let's say if I say we are both watching the sky, and I say let's say the color of the sky is blue, and you do not agree, and you say no, it is not the color blue, it is grayish or something else. So we do not match our point of view. So that is a conflict. Yes, Ruchika.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in word operating and climax.
Actually, climax means when there is a high point that the normal story is going on. That there is a story of two friends. They are playing, they are enjoying, and suddenly they are fighting on a ball. So this is a climax that what will happen next? Will their friendship uh, then what will happen next? Whether their friendship will be broken or they will solve their problems. If they solve their problem, how they are going to solve it? So this is a climax that what will happen next.
And ma'am, opening of the story, second point, ma'am.
Opening of the story
Operating.
means Or
Ma'am, down
cooperation.
point.
Cooperation means when you agree.
Ma'am, not ma'am. This after the opening of the story.
Conflict.
Yes, ma'am. And one more word is there.
Cooperation and conflict between characters.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, that's what I'm telling Ruchika. Cooperation means when we agree to same point. Conflict means when there are different point of views.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Yes, Vansh?
Ma'am, I have a doubt in a climax or high point of the story.
Bache, when I just explain, you are not listening. Class 5B, I will share the link of this recorded session. And then you listen to your doubts. One doubt is repeated 3 times. That means you are not listening to me carefully. Climax is when we are reaching to the high point. There is a fight going on and we have to find out what happened next. How the fight is resolved and who is the winner.
And ma'am, development of events.
How the events are forming. Now you have to do this question in your book if you have books. If you do not have books, you can do it in the notebooks also. It's up to you. Write stories on adventure's journey and the grace and the surprise guest. These are the hints given to you, and you have to frame the develop a story using the given hints. Two friends tracking inside a forest. Tracking means they were moving in a forest. Strange river with bubbling water. They saw a river in which there were bubbles in the water. A boat, conflict between them. Now they must have a conflict that who will drive the boat, in which direction they must go, whether they should get into the boat or not. Get into the boat. Boat moves on its own. Strange, terrible creatures in the water. One friendly wizard. Wizard is a person who does the magic. Friends come back to show. So these are the hints. Using the given hints, you have to develop a story and submit it to me by today's evening. Any doubt? Anyone, any doubts now? All right. So that is all for the today's class. Do your homework and send it to me. Fine. Bye everyone. Have a nice day and please join at 11:30 for your GK class. You have a
Bye,
GK
ma'am.
class at 11:30.
Bye, ma'am. Bye,
Bye
everyone.
everyone.
Bye, bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Have a nice day. Bye, bye.
you. Have a nice day.